Hi friends, welcome to Thivandi Express. I am Anil Nair, a retired loco pilot from Indian Railways. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works celebrating its 70th anniversary. I think I have all right to speak about CLW because I have worked many locos manufactured by Chittaranjan Loco Works.
Chittaranjan Locomotive Works started its journey from steam engine to high-power electric locomotives. The three-phase electric locomotive manufacturing unit of India. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, CLW, has become the biggest locomotive producer in the world, with a record of 446 locomotives produced in the year 2019. After the independence, Railway Ministry planned to manufacture its own locomotives. The present site at Chittaranjan was chosen in 1947. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, CLW, has been named after the great freedom fighter, leader and statesman Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. And it started producing locomotives from the year 1950. Production of steam loco commenced on 26 January, 1950. And the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, dedicated the first steam locomotive to the nation on 1 November, 1950. From 1950 to 1972, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works turned out a total number of 2,351 steam locomotives. The production of steam and diesel locomotives were discontinued in 1972. From 1968 to 1993, CLW produced 842 diesel locomotives. The production of diesel locomotives were discontinued in 1993. Now CLW is manufacturing only electric locomotives. So far, they manufactured 7,200 electric locomotives. The CLW is using insulated gate bipolar transistor, IGBT, technology. Manufacturing cost of an indigenously made G9 type locomotive is just above 10 crore. Now CLW focusing only on three-phase locomotives, namely WAP5, WAP7 and WAG9. The first CLW-built three-phase WAG9 loco rolled out on November 14, 1998. And WAP5 rolled out on May 17, 2000. The first WAP7 locomotive rolled out on October 5, 2000. Traction motor is an important part of a locomotive. CLW started manufacturing indigenous three-phase motors. As a loco pilot, I have worked many locos manufactured by CLW. And I am lucky that could work WDS-4B. In my opinion, CLW is ready to adopt the new technologies to improve the locomotive's performance.
For more updates, subscribe our channel. Bye.